Yeah, I'm thinking particularly about the changes in the property tax. You know, before they had a completely unsustainable, effectively balance sheet tax, which meant with amortization taxes were going down, and as we all know, in real life taxes never go down. They've now brought in a value-based tax. It's been brought in rather quickly. The valuations are very variable. Even for one large portfolio that I'm involved in, some of the taxes actually went down, some of them went up. We've decided not to appeal the valuations on the basis that we were afraid that the ones that had gone down might go up rather than vice versa. That's going to sort itself out in the next 2 or 3 years, but short term it's a problem. There are other things that are slowly changing, things like mortgage registration. At the moment, one of the appealing things about doing the offshore transactions that is the norm is that you don't have to worry about changing ownership registration, and if you're trying to change a mortgage, banks and are doing a sale of actual real estate at the moment, it is a very complicated procedure. All that is slowly changing. The trend is undoubtedly in the right direction. Just a word on corruption. I've now been working in Moscow for 19 years. Apart from a couple of traffic offences, I have never paid a bribe in Russia and never intend to. It's not a real problem in almost all sectors.
We had two occasions in the last 3 or 4 years where we've had to go to court because of tenants or prospective tenants reneging on pre-lease agreements after the crisis, basically. One being a AAA rated German bank. We went to court. We had no problems with the court process. It was slow, it was cumbersome, but we won in both cases. So the concept of there being a sort of total lack of legal jurisdiction in Russia is actually a nonsense. But I agree also that some of the regional courts might be more testing, but certainly in Moscow and St. Petersburg we've had no difficulties.